Vi kører lidt videre. Og hvor der er en venteplads, og der er en rigtig god udsigt. Jeg kan lige vise mig. Ja.
Yeah, I'm Mogens, and I have my bees here on the island, and I live here. And the guy that makes the queens, his name is also Mogens. So we have fun when we call each other. I'm Mogens. I'm Mogens. And so I have here. And so I have also another place that's called Marlise's Gårdcafé. I have 6 hives out there. And so I have had basically very little trouble since I started here. So it has been very nice. And so we can go and look. And so you can just ask whatever questions and so. And when we're done here, we're gonna go up and have pancakes. We go in. Oh, and so I have a little tuk-tuk because my wife got so tired of when I harvest honey that there was honey all over the car. Even I wiped my hands. It was not possible. If I could have my bees here.
Yeah.
Because usually he grows some stuff for the animals. So he can hunt. And it's therefore you see out there along the road, there's a strip that's different. And it's because every year he cultivated.
Yes.
Because the baby birds, pheasants and the babies has to go somewhere and be dry.
Yes.
They can't run around in the high grass. I make 2 frames with special wax for making male bees. And I put them one here and one here. And all the times when I put them in, I can go out the week after. You can hold it? Yeah. The week after I put it in, it's built out and there's male bees everywhere. Little larvae all over. And so sometimes when I have a family that's a little weak, I just put this in so they get less space. Boxes for the winter, they are all styrofoam insulated. And so Mogens, he can tell about the queens.
Okay, first I would like to say that Mogens' English is much better than mine, so I hope you can understand me. I grew up with bee around me, and my grandfather and father have bees at hobby level. And in about 2000 I started professional. And in many years I have bred queens. And I have been working together with a guy named Kjell Brandstrup. And in 2020 I bought all his family, but we still have a business together that he is standing for all the shipment and all the orders of the queens. And when we are selecting the queens, it's always good to have 4 eyes or only 2 eyes of the queens. But in Denmark we have about 20 islands that is isolated, so we can make pure king queens. I have 3 islands where I made on, mating on this here, and 2 on the west side of the Sjælland. They are not allowed to have any other kinds of queens, that they have to get them from me. So every season I bring the new crown lines to Mogens, and he put them in all the hives. And what we are doing is the seasons in Denmark is starting about 1st April, and we can start to make queen about the middle of the May. And in Denmark it's a very short season. We have about 16 days to produce all the queens. And I'm bringing all the small nukes to the island here, and we are put them here for about 3 weeks, not more. And they have been standing at my place at home in 2 or 3 days in a dark room. So the new virgin queens that I have put in, you can see here. And then I bring them here to the island in the morning and opened for the box. And when the weather is like now, she go out and get mating. I use about 3,000. No, I bring about between 100 and 200 over here at one day. And then I have the other 2 islands too, so I can mix it. Change them. Yeah.
How many drone colonies are here?
Here there is on this place there's about 20.
There's 17.
17 here.
A kilometer that way, there's 6 more.
Okay.
And in Næsby where I live, there's 3 in the garden. Yeah. It's all I'm allowed to have.
There's many drones because there's a farmer on this island too that is having white cover. So we are doing pollination. So there are also 70 hives there. So we have about over 100 hives on the island. Yeah, and when I'm bringing them back to my place, we are checking them if they are been mating well and they are laying eggs, because we have to be absolutely sure that they are being made on this island. Mm-hmm. And then we put a little stift on the top, and then I keep them in the abedeas, but I cannot overwinter them in the abedeas. It is the end of the season now, so they are sleepy. So about 2 or 3 weeks from now, they have to been out of the nook. It's very easy for me to have bees here. Mogens is a very good and beekeeper, so I just have to concentrate at the nukes, because I know that Mogens have the right queens in all the hives every day. I have the 3 different drone lines on, so I can cross what I like to. I think it's good to be crossed. So sometimes I think it's going to be a perfect this, and it's good to have. Some of them I can send them on 2 islands, and then I can select which island that has been the best for those queens.
No. Jest metalowa, gięta normalnie z profila, ale tu, widzisz, tu jest, i takie przegięcie. Tu jest, widzisz to przegięcie.
No, oni to produkują.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. When they are, I have been get them in metal because they are very easy to clean. So maybe we can find the queen. There should be one.
I don't know these frames. They are different than we use.
Yes.
It's metal. Ah.
Yeah, it's metal.
Ah,
Yeah.
wonderful. You made them yourself, or?
Yeah, it's some for a few years ago. Ken and I have been made. Yeah,
That's wonderful.
it's easy to
like
when
it.
you
To clean.
when you wash them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can make it hot and.
Yeah.
You know.
Ah, the queen is going in the box.
Always.